This lovely 2-level capecod in Berryville is what you imagine a home to be. Nestled under lovely shade trees, on a quiet street with no through traffic, we are proud to offer this beautifully and tastefully remodeled home just a short way to downtown. In 2019, many things were replaced, including the dimensional roof, some siding, appliances, cabinets and granite countertops, HVAC system, flooring and more. The new owners have added a wonderful chain link fence in the rear yard and a nice outbuilding. There will be lots of entertaining to enjoy from the oversized rear deck. All of the rooms are a great size with space for any and all family activities. The bedroom, especially the 2 upstairs bedrooms, are very large and perfect for children and all of their hobbies. The upstairs bedrooms share a nice bath. There is a total of 3 full baths, so no arguing during morning rush hour will need to happen. The main level has very tasteful vinyl plank floors and the carpeting in the bedrooms is only 2 years old. You will love this home and the quiet street that it is on. Berryville is a wonderful small village that still feels like there is a sense of community. Become a part of this town and community. You won't regret it.